Today I'm going to teach you how to make strawberry white chocolate chip pancakes. You're going to need strawberries, 2 cups of your flour mixture, 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of veggie oil, olive oil, canola oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, but you can be generous here. You're going to want 2 eggs for your mixture as well, and sugar, which we're going to hold off on entering the sugar because we're going to mix that with our strawberries. That's 3 tablespoons of sugar. And don't forget your white chocolate chips. I use about half a bag. Mix our ingredients together. Our flour mixture, eggs, our oil, our baking powder, vanilla, milk, and mix it all together now. Stir it all up. Get it so that your batter is nice and smooth. Make sure you're getting those sides, get everything off the side so that it mixes all together right. Then mix your strawberries and sugar together before adding them to the batter. Once mixed, put them in the batter, add your white chocolate chips, and then grease your skillet. Get every part covered to avoid pancakes sticking. Next, we are going to measure out our batter into 1/3 cups and pour them onto the skillet. We'll want to put them on there probably 3 at a time, making sure there's enough room for them to spread out a bit. Make sure the berries and chips are spread throughout each pancake. We're going to be cooking them at 325 degrees for about 4 minutes, probably about 2 minutes per side. You will know the pancakes are ready to flip when they start to bubble. And I don't care how many times you've made pancakes in the past, the first batch is always going to be a little darker. Unless you leave them on for too long, this shouldn't really change the flavor though. They're still going to be pretty delicious. If you flip them too early, you're going to have a mess on your hands. It'll be a disaster. Don't ruin your day. Wait for them to bubble. Check the back to make sure it's cooked through and you're ready to plate. Re-grease your skillet before adding your next batch of pancakes on. This recipe should make about 15 pancakes or so. You're going to want to repeat all of your steps. Wait for that bubble. Make sure the strawberries and white chocolate chips are spread throughout the pancake. Flip them once they're bubbled. Flip. Make sure it's away from the edge before you flip too. Flip. And once you have that all done, voila! Pancakes are good to eat. I hope you enjoy.